mira, ahí lo ven en la fotografía.
Huh? Yeah, hold that thing gotta come. But I don't know how much it'll come. That's why I told you.
Not move. Or just spin.
Oh man, that's what it's gonna do. Yeah, that's a flat.
Yeah, no spin jump for out. Todavía. Check it out. Red camera, Rich. Watch out, Rich.
Oh, my fault.
All right. Crowbar, Rich. Got it. I got him. My pen is coming in pieces. We lay the stone. All right, Rick. We're gonna pick it back up, okay?
Alright.
We're going to bring it to here.
Come on, dog. It's your girl.
It's gonna go up. Like,
Yeah.
we're making that shit slide on the brink.
Ready, set, go.
Alright. Too much, Rich?
Wow.
Is it dead on?
I think he was
You're off, I think.
I think it's too
Come
much.
on, a little more.
No, we're good. Right on.
Let it go. I can't breathe. It's down. Waste management.
What happened? It can go either way. Wherever you want to
Put it
go.
on. Hold it tight, Rich.
I need to anchor it.
Yeah, get the anchor ready. I got the hammer drill right here.
I just need a screw. I got the screws. I'm good.
Got a nice pack. Oh, it's dead on.
We're good?
Dead on. Dead on. Bang just a little bit right here with the mallet, just a touch if you want it to be
We could do that
more
once I focus on it.
precise, but I think we're good. You got the mallet though, Rich?
Yeah.
Let me get it. Yeah, I got it.
I won't even do it. A mí se ve bien, se me hace tengo down. Ah, that's a lot.
Dead nuts. Can't believe Rich fucked it up for the last time.